In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the Serpentine belt on this Ford Excursion with the 6.8 liter V10 engine. Let's get started. Now reaching in from the top, use a 1/2 inch drive ratchet or breaker bar. Stick it right on the end of the tensioner, which is between the fan and the engine. You're going to want to make sure that that's actually seated in there so you can put some pressure on it. And now turn clockwise as you're looking at the engine, or press down if you're from the top, and remove the belt from anything that you can slip it off of so that we can release tension off of the tensioner. Gently release tension. There we go. Remove your tool. Let's remove the rest of the belt now. Take it off of all the pulleys. To get it off the AC, you're going to have to sneak your hand down here and pull it off of the compressor. But then it actually comes out between the tensioner and the idler pulley. Okay, set that aside. Let's reinstall the belt. You'll see a diagram on the screen of how to route it. You want to feed it between the idler and the tensioner first, around the AC compressor. And once you get it down there, you'll actually have to stick your hand in there and loop it around. It's going to kind of naturally want to fall around that AC compressor. Just double check it visually to make sure it's actually on there. And then I like to take the top of the belt and hold it while I feed the rest of the belt down underneath the crank and around the tensioner, of course. At the same time, I'm going to loop it around the water pump. And of course, I have to route it around that harmonic balancer crank pulley. Just like that. And then grab it from the other side and pull it around. I don't want to keep falling off of other pulleys. That's unfortunately normal. All right, that's just seated on there. It's still on the AC compressor. So now the last, second to last pulley is going to be the power steering pump, which is on the right side as you're looking at the front of the engine, all the way down. Don't put it on the alternator yet, because otherwise you won't be able to pull it over the tensioner. Just hold it at the top so it doesn't fall down. Okay, so that's on the power steering. Let's remove tension off the tensioner, put it up on the alternator. Let's get your 1/2 inch drive tool in the tensioner, release tension, pull it down, or push it down I should say. Slip this over the alternator. Before you let go of this and remove your tool, make sure the belt is perfectly centered on all of the pulleys, especially the ribbed ones, because if one rib is off, it's going to do damage to the belt. It could even cut it, and then it'll go flying, and you definitely want to avoid that. This all looks great for me. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.